From the depths of the Amazon rainforest to the vast plains of the African savanna, our planet pulsates with a symphony of sounds, signals, and gestures. This is the captivating language of the animal kingdom. A chorus of bird songs fills the air at dawn. A pride of lions roars across the savanna. Beneath the ocean waves, whales sing haunting melodies. These displays are a glimpse into animal communication. Animals use sound, sight, scent, and touch. These methods are essential for survival. They find mates, raise young, and warn of danger. Studying this world reveals its complexity. It has profound implications for understanding nature. Deciphering these codes shows animal intelligence. This knowledge is crucial for conservation efforts. Sound is perhaps the most obvious and well-studied form of animal communication. From the melodious songs of birds to the deep rumbles of elephants, the animal kingdom is alive with sound. These vocalizations serve a variety of purposes, from attracting mates to defending territories and warning of predators. Birds, for example, use their songs to attract mates, defend their territories, and communicate with their young. Each species has its own unique song, a complex melody that is learned and passed down through generations. Visual communication is equally important, particularly for animals that inhabit open environments where sound can travel long distances. Many animals use visual displays to attract mates, such as the elaborate courtship dances of birds of paradise or the flashing lights of fireflies. Others use visual signals to defend their territories, like the aggressive postures and bright colors of many fish and reptiles. These visual cues provide vital information about an animal's species, sex, age, and even its mood. While sound and sight dominate our human experience, many animals rely heavily on chemical signals or pheromones to communicate. These chemical messengers are often undetectable to the human nerves, yet they play a vital role in the lives of many animals, particularly insects and mammals. Ants, for example, use pheromones to mark trails to food sources, while dogs use urine to mark their territories. Pheromones can also convey information about an animal's reproductive status, allowing individuals to find mates over long distances. Touch is another important form of communication, particularly for animals that live in close-knit social groups. Primates, for example, use grooming to strengthen social bonds and reduce stress. Elephants use their trunks to greet each other, care for their young, and express a range of emotions. Even seemingly simple creatures like insects use touch to communicate, with ants and bees using their antennae to exchange information about food and potential threats. Section 4, the gentle language of touch. Touch is a powerful sense in the animal kingdom, often conveying intimacy, comfort, and social bonding. Primates, with their grasping hands, are particularly adept at tactile communication. Grooming, for instance, goes beyond hygiene. It strengthens social bonds, reduces stress, and even plays a role in establishing hierarchies within primate groups. A gentle touch can soothe a frightened infant, while a playful bite can signal camaraderie among peers. Elephants, despite their size, are remarkably tactile creatures. Their trunks, incredibly sensitive and dexterous, are used not only for foraging and manipulating objects, but also for a wide range of social interactions. Mothers caress their calves with their trunks, providing reassurance and affection. Elephants greet each other by entwining their trunks, a gesture akin to a handshake or embrace. Even a gentle trunk touch on the back can convey comfort or encouragement. In the marine world, touch takes on different forms. Dolphins, highly social creatures, often rub against each other, a behavior known as rubbing. This tactile contact, along with vocalizations and synchronized swimming, helps maintain social bonds and reinforces group cohesion. Even some fish species engage in tactile communication using gentle fin touches to signal courtship or establish dominance. Section 5. Understanding to protect conservation through communication. The study of animal communication is not merely an academic pursuit. It has profound implications for conservation efforts. By understanding how animals communicate, we can better protect them from the growing threats they face in a rapidly changing world. For example, knowing how endangered whales communicate helps us mitigate noise pollution from shipping traffic and seismic surveys, which can disrupt their migration and breeding patterns. Understanding animal communication can also help us reduce human-wildlife conflict. By learning how to interpret the warning signals of elephants, for instance, we can avoid accidental encounters and prevent potentially dangerous situations. Similarly, by understanding how birds communicate about food sources, we can develop more effective strategies for protecting crops from pest species. Section 6, A Symphony of Life, the Unending Conversation. The study of animal communication is a journey into a world beyond our own, a world alive with conversations we are only beginning to understand. As we delve deeper into this fascinating realm, we uncover not only the remarkable diversity of life on Earth, but also the interconnectedness of all living things. Each species, from the tiniest insect to the largest whale, plays a vital role in the intricate tapestry of life, and their communication systems are essential to the functioning of these ecosystems. The quest to understand animal languages is far from over. New technologies are constantly emerging, allowing us to listen in on the secret conversations of bats, decode the complex dances of bees, and even translate the thoughts of our closest primate relatives. As we continue to explore these uncharted territories, we can only marvel at the wonders of the natural world and infinite mysteries that still await our discovery. The symphony of life plays on, a never-ending conversation that reminds us of our place within the grand scheme of nature.